Daria Jackson Ligonier here. Today I am going to pull back the curtains and show you exactly what I do to create really cool, simple, hot images that pop from word swag. So without further ado, there's a picture here of my iPad. I love working from my iPad mini because it's big, and as I get older, okay, I want to take that out. Goodbye. No. Ah, really? I don't want that there. Okay. Thank you. All right. So as I get older, as I was saying, um, I need to see things larger. It just makes it a lot easier. So working from my iPad mini is a blessing. So the first thing you would do, as you can see, I have word swag, right? I have word swag. I just tapped it. And in order to get word swag, I want to come out of there. You have to go, if you have a iPad, you have to go to the App Store. So you would go to the App Store, you would type word swag in the search, which I already did. And because I have it on my iPad already, it's going to say open. But on yours, if you don't have it downloaded, it's going to say get, just like all the other icons, all the other apps, I should say, that I didn't download. Okay, makes sense? All right, so let's get into the training. So I'm going to find my word swag. For Android users, I believe it's $3.99. At one point, it was free. It's free for iPhone users. So sometimes that happens. Apps that the Apple puts out, you have to pay for them. In an Android, they're free. So it all depends on the developer of the app. So in my case, I got it for free. But if you are an Android user, I believe it's $3.99, and it's worth the $3.99 because it does save you time. And it's only a one-time fee of $3.99. All right. So you press the app and you press new. Now, just so you know, you can share this platform, whatever you make on this platform, on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Pinterest. You can text it to someone. You can also email it to someone. So it makes it very, very, very convenient. Love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so you press new. And since I just created an image, I'm going to say I want to start over, which is yes. So I'm going to pick where the photos are. And I'm going to pick a photo. Let's see. I'm going to pick something really simple, something orange. Let's see. I want some orange. I think I want to, oh no, don't want that. Okay. Maybe like a coral orange. Maybe this orange. That'll work. Okay. So now it tells you, this is the text type that I used before for my last image. So actually I'm going to use it because it really pops. I like the colors and everything. So it's telling you to double tap me to change the text because I don't want it to say that. So I'm going to double tap it. And sometimes I might have to triple, quadruple tap it in order for it to move into this screen so that I can put my personal touch to it. So I'm going to hold down, select all, and then I'm going to press paste. No, that's the one I did before. Okay, I don't want to do that one. I'm glad I did that because I'm going to show you where I keep my quotes. I collect my quotes, and this is called Evernote. So Evernote is where I keep a lot of notes. I keep notes for work, as you can see. I keep notes for church. I keep note from St. Paul's Community Baptist Church. I keep notes for my job as well. So you can create a whole lot of categories within Evernote. It's right here on your iPad, or you can access it on your phone. You can also access it on your computer. So it's pretty cool because whatever you type in here, you can access it later. You don't have to wait until you get home. So it's a very good app. And then they have a premium package. I use the free, but they do have a premium package I don't know exactly what else you get with it because as of right now, this works for me. So from time to time, I'll just grab some quotes, and then when I'm idle, sitting on the bus or waiting online in the grocery store, I can use this app to create my posts, my status updates, my posts. So if I put the so having the content in here beforehand makes it a lot easier when I'm ready to post because I don't have to be home. Okay, hope that made sense. Okay, so I'm going to use happy people produce and bored people consume. All right, so I'm going to just hold it down. I'm going to select. I'm going to pull those circles, right? So then that just shows me exactly what it is I want to copy. Press the word copy. Now I'm going to go back into WordSwag. So what I like about it, it takes me right back where I was before. So I'm going to press and hold, paste, voila. However, I noticed with this app, where it says who, optional, I like to put the person's name there. It just, the way it comes out, it just looks great. All right, so now what I'm attempting to do, right, is to pull those circles. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to paste it down here. See, I don't like to do a whole bunch of typing and all that other stuff. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to that. Cut and paste is my best friend. All right, so I have it saying exactly what I want it to say. So now I'm going to press save and close. It's telling me that the characters and the styles don't support, but I'm going to do it anyway, see what it looks like, because I can always fix it. All right, so I like the little quote situation up there, but let's see what else. Let's hit these die. See the die on the right hand side on the bottom? And I'm just going to continue to hit them until I actually see something that really pops, right? So happy people produce, bored people consume. I like that. I love the black and white situation. I just want something that dresses the screen. And I like the big quote and the little quote. I think that's kind of cool, right? Let's see. I'm just going to keep going until I see something that's like, yo, it just like hits me. All right, I'm just going to keep going. I might end up going back to something I saw before, but I don't want the little ones. But I definitely want something wide. That's kind of cool too. Happy people produce, but I want a little more black in it. Just a little more black. Can we hook it up with a little more black? All right, so I'm gonna go back to one that I like. That's pretty cool. I like that too. But I like the lines. All right, I'm gonna stop here. I'll go with this one. This works. Okay, so now I found one that I like. I'm gonna press the word done on the top right hand corner. All right, so it automatically saves to your camera roll. But I like that more feature because I can add a logo or a watermark to really put my stamp on it. All right, so I'm gonna press that, and now it tells me that I can use the same image as last time, which is cool because I always use the same watermark, so I don't have to go scrolling through looking for the same thing. I'm glad they added that. I love convenience. My husband will tell you, I love convenience. All right, so I'm going to use the same image. Voila! Bam! It just puts it in the right spot, the spot where I want it. I'm going to just put it up just a little bit. Ah, good. I'm happy. That's it. Because it's all about branding me. You know, I'm going to give Stephen Richards his props for coming up with the quote, but I'm giving myself, I'm branding me because I'm the one that took the time to take the quote, put it on an image and share it. So I got to give myself a little credit too, so that anybody looks at it, they can see my website at the bottom, Wil.Daria.com, and who knows, they may come and visit me. You know, so whenever you do something online and you're marketing your business, a product, or service, you want to make sure you have a logo and make sure that you're pointing. The logo tells your prospects where they can find you, because you just never know what people are looking for, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to press the check and we are ready to rock and roll and stereo. All right, so I'm going to post on Instagram because posting on Instagram allows me to also post on Twitter, and I'm going to post on Facebook. All right, so I'm going to press the Instagram button. All right, copy to Instagram, and it pops up just as nice. It fits, and I don't have to worry about doing anything because it automatically configures it for this platform. All right, so next, press next. I'm going to just paste the same. Oh, I forgot I did the same thing the last time. All right, so I'm going to go back to Evernote and get my quote because like I told you, I do not want to type all of that, and I don't have to. Cut and paste. I learned how to cut and paste on this thing, and whoo, they created a monster, as my grandmother used to say, a monster. All right, so now I'm gonna paste. Also, I'm going to put my hashtag. The reason why I'm putting my hashtag is because I want with hashtags, all your content will be in that particular space. So if someone does a search for W.D. Ligonier, they're going to see all the posts that I created using that hashtag. And then that's another way of branding you. And when you never know, you're posting different types of things. You're posting quotes, you're posting your products, your services, something cool you learned, something that you find valuable that you want to share. So all of that will be compiled in, let's say, a file or a folder on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. And if anybody clicks on your hashtag, then they will find all your content. Pretty cool, right? So also I like to target other people, network marketing, home business, those types of people. Okay, I want to also have my stuff along with that. Even though thousands of people are posting with those same hashtags, but you never know. People scrolling through, they may see something that I didn't like it. Okay, so I'm going to press OK. I can tag people if I want. I'll show you how I can tag somebody. I'm going to tag the photo. All right, and I'm going to tag my husband. So I'm going to look for my husband. Really? Oh, there he is. Right, so I just tagged them. And you can tag as many people as you want, but you want to tag people that don't mind being tagged. All right, so after I did that, I tagged my person. Now I'm going to also post this. I want this to post. It's going to post at the same time. So I want it on Facebook and I want it on Twitter as well. And then I press the share button. Boom, it's right there. Okay, and then if I want, I can add some other tags if I want. If I want to put anyone else that I am at the moment targeting. Okay, you don't want to put a whole bunch of tags because then it looks very spammy. And you can put anywhere from, I think, 15 to 20 tags, maybe even 30 tags before Instagram says, hey, you're going not tags, hashtags, before you go in hashtag happy, and then they put you in what's called Instagram jail. So you don't want to go in Instagram jail. You just want to you want to stay under the radar and still get your content out. And that's it. And then if you go to Facebook, you should see it. Let's see how fast it gets there. You should see this same exact post on my, oh, look how pretty. Okay, and there it is. And I just did it on Instagram, but it's on Facebook. And if I go to Twitter, you'll see it on Twitter. So I hope you got value from this training. If you want to know more about how you can grow your business online, you can go to Wil.Daria.com. Also, there you can subscribe to our email list, and we send out emails pretty regularly, and we inform you of new strategies and tactics that you can use to grow your business. And also we inform you of private webinars that we attend to, where we get a lot of our information from. So if you subscribe to our newsletter, you'll be privy to that information, and you can jump on the industry-wide webinars along with us. So without further ado, I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.